right, got a 2017 Buick Envision here today. We're gonna make a really quick video. We gotta change out this outer tail light here. This is grandma's car, and I'm gonna give you a super quick but terrible story. So she's getting up there in age. It's getting close to that time. I think we're gonna have to take the license away. She was at Sam's Club. Let me tell you, think about this verbatim. She told me that somebody stopped in front of her. She couldn't figure out why they weren't moving. She tried to take off and then went in reverse on accident and crashed into the building at Sam's Club. I'm actually gonna try and get that on camera because like that's a long ways to go over the curb all the way up and hit the building. It made no sense. But either way, she knocked out this taillight. We're gonna get in here, we're gonna get this fixed. I ordered her one off of Amazon. I will have a link up here in the video and in the description for the driver and or passenger taillight. They sell them both. They are less than $100. If you happen to crack your lens or do something and you need to replace it, we're gonna take care of it right now. All right, step number one, you're gonna get this hatch open. We're gonna look right down here. We got two little push out cover plates. So we get a little flathead screwdriver or some sort of little pick tool. We'll get in here and pop these out. There we go. Now, it looks like we got two little Torxes. Those look like about a T20 or a T15. So I'm gonna grab one of those and then we will shoot these puppies out. All right, the answer is a T15 Torx. So we're gonna go ahead and zip these out real quick. There's one. There's two. Once you have the two screws out, you're literally just gonna grab this puppy, one hand over here, one hand over here. We are going to pull it straight back, give it a pop. Just like that. And that jerk will release it to where you can go ahead and slide it out like this. And you have this one connector right here. You'll push the red tab backwards and then squeeze and pull to release. Sometimes you got to push and squeeze and pull and just kind of get it free. But that pins down in right there. Voila! Old tail light out. Time to put the new one in. All right, I just want to show this real quick. So I'm sitting here with the Amazon replacement one. You'll see it has this little fin that slides in to your plug. There's one that goes on that side, one that goes on that side. See, I had to grind off one side because they have them misplaced on this Amazon replacement. I was going to pull this harness assembly off of the OEM one, but when I went to unplug this connector, I just barely touched that tab with a screwdriver and it broke and flew away. So the last we went with this method, but now it plugs in nice and easy. The lock pin will keep it locked in there, so it's not going to work its way undone or anything. So I will link a different taillight from Amazon because I got the cheapest one they have. So it will be a little bit more money, but the one in the video will be a better quality for sure. If you want the cheap one and you want to sand that off, go for it. I'll put that down there as well. But here we go. Now we're going to go ahead and work this thing back in there. All right, once you have it plugged in and everything situated with your plug, you want to make sure you work that little peg on the lower side here down closer into position. Then you'll get it in and just give it a push to locate it. There it is. Once you get it to click in and pop in, you just go ahead and snug up your two screws and put your caps back on. You're good to go. There she is in all of her glory. All the lights work. She's good to go. I'm gonna go give it back to the old grandma. So if this video helped you out, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more.